Hi, welcome to your channel Versatile for You. I hope you all viewers are doing well. I am SN and today I would gonna tell you about different free courses from Google with certificates and without certificates. In this video I will tell you about different free courses and how to enroll in these free courses, and in the end of this video I will recommend you 7 best courses that you should must do. So let's start. Open Google and write here digital Google Digital Garage, or open the link from the description of the video. So here open Google Digital Garage and if you open first time, then it asks to sign up or register with your Google account or Gmail. So register by clicking on register. After registration, go to get started and then online courses. So it will show you all the free courses that Google offers you. Few courses have certificate and rest don't have certificate. So these are the list of courses. There are 151 courses and there are some categories like digital marketing, career development, data and technology, and here are length of courses, and here are certificates, Google course difficulty, course provider. You can filter these to find a course. So these are few courses: fundamental of digital marketing, get a business online. There are 151 courses that you would do at free of course. So let's open first course, which is fundamental of digital marketing. So it has 26 modules and the whole course comprises of 40 hours, and there is no time limit. You can do it anytime whenever you are free. Each course comprises of video lectures and quizzes. So let's talk about this course, which is fundamental of digital marketing. It has 26 modules. Each modules have few lessons and quizzes. For example, this is the second module of fundamental of digital marketing and it has 5 lessons. So open this first lesson. So this lesson has further 6 more video tutorials. So watch the video like this. To complete a module, first you have to complete each video in the lesson and then pass the quiz. Each lesson of the module has its own quiz. Without completing the quiz correctly, you can't be able to move forward to next lesson. And after completing each lesson of the module, you would have to give grand test of that module based on multiple choice questions. And when you complete a module by passing the test, then you would be awarded by a badge of the module, and then you would be able to move forward to the next module. And in this course, which is fundamental of digital marketing, it has 26 modules. You have to complete all modules, quizzes and grand tests, and then you will be awarded by a certificate from Google in which your name is written. The certificate would be electronic and sent to your Gmail. You can also print it and mention in your resume too. So let's talk about some other courses. So fundamental of digital marketing, it has certificate. You can see include certification. So I think only this fundamental of digital marketing have certificate, rest are don't have certificate. So get a business online. Here is the progress of your course. Now I have started this course 2 days ago and I have completed 12% of this course. So now I will tell you 7 best courses that you should must do. Number 1 is Fundamental of Digital Marketing. Number 2 is Machine Learning Crash Course. Number 3, Elements of AI. Number 4, Fundamentals of Graphic Design. Number 5, Foundation of Everyday Leadership. Number 6, Programming for Everyone. And number 7, Android developer or web developer based on interest. So it is not necessary for everyone to do these courses because everyone has its own individual interest. So I hope you know which course is best for you. So I hope you found this video informative. Meet you in next video. Best of luck. Goodbye.